There is fish on the plate and vegetables I eat with pleasure and peace. For dessert there is fruit, an apple, a banana, an orange, a strawberry. Thus the meal ends without a fuss. Life is work, is school, is time, an appointment, a problem, a question wide. I search for the answer in every sentence, in every language, with every word that I find inside. I go to the shop, the supermarket, the market. I buy my food, my thoughts are clear and strong. I work at my job, I sit in the office, or I study at school, the university. That feeling is not for nothing. Yeah, life is work, is school, is time, an appointment, a problem, a question wide. I search for the answer in every sentence, in every language, with every word that I find inside. The lesson is engaging,
The student listens,
the teacher explains,
and the knowledge glistens.
money, the euro has a price and a value. The bill I pay, my salary comes into the bank without hesitation or hardship. And between work, I check my computer, I call with my phone, I speak with a tutor. Then I leave the city, I seek nature. The park is green, the forest is quiet, a perfect adventure. This is the fabric, the thread of existence. From shop to forest, from question to answer gone. Everything has a place, a time, a task. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's a gift, a deed without blame. And so I weave onward, day after day, with the word as my tool, no flag. From soup to salary, from lesson to nature,